I've come out to Luneburger Heide in North Germany, just half an hour south of Hamburg, and the heather is in full bloom, so I'm going to take some a couple of shots here, get my 4x5 out and see what I can get. I'm trying to find a composition, so I want something with a heather where it comes right up to the camera. This is one of the better places I've found so far, so I'm getting close. So I'm a bit deeper into the Heide now, and it does get a bit more interesting then. The Intrepid is set up and ready to go, or is it? Well, as usual, this contraption is not doing what it should. So what you often get with the Intrepid is that, I'm going to zoom in to this little screw thing there. So this whole thing there usually comes off. Then it becomes impossible to focus correctly. So you see, it's all loosey-goosey, and this whole thing here is now kind of broken. So this is not the first time it's happened, and I'm gonna have to send this in again. And it's kind of useless to have a travel expedition camera like this that just can't perform at all. It's quite often a disappointment when you come out into the field with this camera and something is broken. That's why I always bring all the tools. So I got this one that should fit, but since I've tightened it so many times, it's become rounded, so now I can't really tighten it anymore. So yeah, that's it for the Intrepid. I'll do my best to see if I can get some shots off anyways. It's the next day, and I've come out to the Heide again. This time I'm in the south part of the Heide. So I went down to Schneider, and then I'm going to hike up north. Well, it is another overcast day, so the light is not cooperating. But today is a lot drier than it was yesterday, which is, I guess it's both good and bad. You don't get the shine as much on the vegetation, don't get this lusciousness, but it keeps me dry at least. Yeah, I'll see if we can get some images out of this. It still looks amazing though. It's really edge to edge of the heather, so that is pretty cool. I have set up for my first shot, and well, it's a simple composition. Just want to take in all of the purple against some of those trees in the background there, and yeah, I'm using my 6x12. So this is a Schneider 6x12, and it's been working quite okay for me so far. It is slightly tricky to advance the film and those kind of things. It adds a few extra moments to the whole process that can be kind of draining. It might be a little bit too much to do, too many steps to think through, but it works, and you can shoot roll film, and the results are good. There are some issues with it though, that these things can be a little bit loose, and you can easily get light leaks if you're not super careful about getting the dark slide in and make it stay put, that kind of thing. But it's much more relaxing to shoot slide film as well. You don't feel like your shot have to be absolutely amazing, which can sometimes be a hindrance for you even breaking out the camera on occasion. So now I got at least what do I have? 6 shots per roll, so that's quite okay. All right, let's get another one. That was that. So I spent around 5 hours on this moor, and I think I might have gotten a few images. I mean, it is visually stunning. It's a sight to see, to come here when the heath is peaking. It really is edge to edge of purple heath. So that is pretty cool. And yeah, I'm gonna go home, develop the films, and see what I got. Yet again, I've come out to the Luneburger Heide to shoot some large format film, and today the sun is out, so I'm hoping that's going to improve the photos a bit. It is a clear blue sky almost, so that's a bit boring, but I think it's still better than a white sky. So the sun is about to set in an hour or two, so hope the light gets any good. I think sunlight and heather can look pretty good together. Let's see. So I've loaded up my Horseman 6x7, see if I can get some close-up shots and maybe be able to fire up some more shots. It's also loaded with some Velia 50 for some nice slide film colors. So that's the warm-up shot taken. Just an easy little close-up of the sun hitting the heather. It's always good to start with just any pictures. Just get the camera out. It is turning out to be quite nice light when the sun is setting, so I'm very happy with this. Get that shine in the heather when the sun shines through it. Yeah, I think I got time for a few more shots before the sun sets. Let's see what we can find around here. Plenty of shots. Feels like there's a good shot around each corner here. Very cool, very nice. That was that. The sun is setting really quickly now, so all the best light is gone. And I might have gotten a few shots in that I feel can be something. It's a shame. I would have liked to continue on, but that's the life of large format. It takes its time to set up, and before you get the shot, it's getting late. Still a lot of fun though. It's time to pack this one in and go home and develop some film.